Look at this channel, guys. This channel has uploaded only 19 videos on his channel. And you can see this channel has gained over 25,000 subscribers with just 19 videos. And the most popular video of this channel has gained over 3.8 million views in just 1 month, which is absolutely insane. If we talk about the earnings of the channel, it earns $15,000 every single month. And this is not the only one. There are some other channels that are doing the same. For example, this channel has uploaded only 99 videos on his channel and gained over 440,000 subscribers, and the most popular video has gained 2.8 million views. And this channel earning is $22,000, which is amazing. And this is another channel has earning $8,000 per month. So guys, you can see the proof of this channel that's earning a lot of money by just uploading this AI content. So in today's video, I will tell you the step-by-step method on how you can make these types of videos with just using AI. Everything in this video we will do with AI, so let's begin in the video. Our first step is to generate our channel name. You could generate your own channel name from yourself. If you are not able to generate your channel name, so we can do this with AI. I can provide you one prompt in the description. You can simply copy it and go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt in to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate 10 unique names for your channel. You can choose one that you like. Here you can see ChatGPT has generated 10 unique names. It's time to generate a powerful script for our video. I can giving you a prompt in the description. You can just copy this prompt and edit them as you wish, and I just leave it. It depends on which type of story that you can generate, so you can adjust it as you wish. Just go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt and hit enter to generate a powerful script for your video, which is engaging and step-by-step. As you can see, Chat generated a powerful script for me, so I can use this in my video. Now our video script is ready. It's time to generate prompts for each scenes. So I can using again ChatGPT, I can give you a prompt in the description below. Simply copy this and go to ChatGPT like this and paste the prompt and hit enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT has generated prompt for each scene, so you can use them to generate your images in Leonardo AI. So our image prompt is ready. So next step is to generate images for each scene. I can using Leonardo AI. You can find the link in the description below. Simply click on it and you will go to this website. Simply create an account and you will get 150 credits daily for free. Click on Image Generation. And first of all, choose the model to Leonardo Phoenix, which is best for this types of images. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt like this and paste the prompt into Leonardo AI and make sure you select the ratio to 16:9, which is best for YouTube video. And simply click on Generate and your images will be ready in just a few seconds. So just wait for a second while this is happening. We copy other prompt like this and go back to Leonardo and paste the prompt. And as you can see, our first image is ready. And you can see the quality of this images. Really impressive. Just select one image that you like and click on this download button to save it to your computer. So you can do the same things again and again until all the images are ready. Now our images are done. Our next step is to find a background music. For copyright-free background music, you can find in Pixabay. Just select the music from here and search for sad music. Here you can find many music. For example, I choose this one. It's perfect. Now just click download and it will save to your computer. It's time to generate voiceover for our video. For this, I am using 11 Labs. I will give you the link in the description below. You have to just click on it and you will go to this website. And here you will find many voices, so listen them and choose one of them that you like. For example, I am choosing this one. It's best voice for my video. Now copy the first paragraph from ChatGPT and paste it into 11 Labs. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the second paragraph and paste it into 11 Labs like this. And just like this, you will copy all of the paragraphs step by step and paste it into 11 Labs for making best voiceover. And once your voice is ready, then simply click the download button and it will save to your computer. Now our last step is to editing our video. So for editing our video, I will using CapCut, which is user-friendly and easy to use software and work for all PC, so you can easily install them and use them. So first of all, import your file into CapCut and drop them all into the timeline just like this. and adjust it according to your voice, and choose one image just like this, and click to animation and click combo. Then select the animation that you like. For example, I am choosing this animation, which looks good. So once you have done, you have to select transitions. Simply click on transitions, and here you will find many transition. Select the one that you like. For example, I'm choosing mixed transition. For making our video more beautiful, simply click on filters, and here we will find the clear filter. Simply click on this, drag and drop it throughout the video, and click on effect, and once again, you will find a lot of effects. Simply choose one that you like. And once you have done, simply click on text, then click on auto captions and select the language into English, and click generate, and CapCut will generate auto captions for your video. After that, click animation, then select caption tab, and here you will find a lot of animations for your captions. So choose one that you like. For example, I choose this one. Simply click it, and it will apply to all of your captions. Now drop the background music and down the volume into -15. Adjust them. Just like this, just look at the video. And once you are done, simply click on this export button, choose the resolution, and choose the FPS to 60, and click on export, and it will download it to your device. Now our work is almost done. First, we need one thing, which is a thumbnail. So how can we create the thumbnail? Just go to this channel, for example, and you can see that thumbnail. So we need to create the similar thumbnail. So just take the screenshot of this thumbnail and go to ChatGPT and upload the thumbnail to Chat and write a prompt, just like this, and hit enter, and Chat provide a massive prompt. After that, copy the prompt and go to Leonardo AI and click on image generation and select that model to Leonardo Phoenix, which is our recently model. Paste the prompt and simply click on generate, and Leonardo AI will generate an image for you, which you can use for your thumbnail. And once the image is ready, simply click on download image, and it will save to your computer. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and drop a cute comment down below. And must follow us to learn more tutorials about YouTube automation. So friend, that's it for today. See you in the next one.